purchased the xenon white LEDs for the INFINITI QX60, and the first one that I remove is the tailgate or liftgate using the DE3175 model fitment or DE3022 fitment, just about like 12 volts, 2 watts, 400 lumens lights in the back. On the passenger side, I removed the reading lamp, but the problem is the LEDs is a assembly board, meaning it's a circuit board, so it is attached to it. So I cannot just remove the inside unless if I have the skills to replace the whole assembly. So if the assembly light fails, you have to replace the whole thing on the reading lights. It's the same thing with the map lamp. It is being soldered directly onto the circuit board. So the only thing I can replace is the tailgate, the vanity lights on the sun visor, and then the 4 doors. So currently what you are looking is the vanity light that I replace T10, or we call it sun visor light. So you can replace both the passenger and the driver side on the the T10 white LEDs. This is how it looks like, the vanity mirror light or the sun visor. So this is how you remove it on the other side, and then you have to pull to the right and then remove the yellow light and replace it with T10 LED. I choose white because it's more like clearer and it's more like simple, instead of just like doing the blue or any other colors. So my preference is white, so keep it simple. So this is how it looks like when you replace it. And this is the map light that I'm talking about, the one that has a whole assembly. The LED is just like, circuit board is just like installed inside of it. You cannot just remove it because it's being how to call that? It's assembled in one. So if the map light fails, you have to replace the whole thing. You have to remove it and replace the whole assembly instead of just changing it. This one is the courtesy light or puddle light, and we replace the yellow light to a T10 white LED. So this is how it looks like, the inside, and then just like insert the T10, and I'm showing you how it looks like once it's being placed, and then you can easily just like insert the plug. So basically the whole assembly is just like I've shown you the whole assembly. So there's a clip on the side. I'll just like release it, and the white cover. This is for the courtesy light on the 4 doors. You can change it to 4 T10. I'm talking about the fitment T10. So I like the result. It's like more like simpler color. Some people wants the blue one, but I just enjoy looking at the white color. So as you can see, you can see some the interior is yellow because that's a whole assembly of the tailgate is white, and then the door is white. The four doors are white colors, while the maps are yellow light. Probably it's more for safety because it's much easier on the lights when you turn on at while you're driving at night. It preserve your eyes to the dark. So like a very slight adjustment.